No.
The AirPod Pros. Apple just finally announced them, and they are basically a meme right now. The internet was quick on this one. But aside from that, of them looking like Pokemon, the AirPod Pros are expensive and also a follow up to the second gen AirPod Pros. But what do these in earphones have to offer? And this is what we're going to be looking at in this video. Now, first things first is active noise cancellation. So Apple claims that this is the only in-ear piece that has active noise cancellation, which basically works by having external and internal speakers record sound from around you, and basically in simple terms just keeps it from interrupting your listening session. And along with this active noise cancellation mode, there is transparency mode, which you can easily use to switch off from the noise cancellation to listen to whatever is happening around you. So it's basically just turning on and turning off your noise cancellation. Now, another thing to notice about the AirPods is its um, size. So unlike the previous AirPods, which had long stems, this one has shorter stems and has like a little bit of a curvature around the stems. So it looks a bit less awkward, I guess, at least around the stems, but it looks even more awkward that the adjustable ear tips make them look like, again, I said, Pokemon. And with the ear tips, they come packaged in 3 sizes. In the box you get the medium sized ear tips along with an extra pair of large and small ear tips that you can use to adjust your ears. And Apple has said they designed these to fit snugly in your ears so they won't fall out as easily as the previous AirPods or any other earpiece that is out there, they claim. And of course, since these are Apple AirPods, one thing that they're famously known for is how they easily connect with iPhones and how they just work with Apple's ecosystem. So the AirPod Pros come with the H1 chips, which then means if you have an iPhone and AirPods, you don't need to hassle with anything. As soon as you open them up, it connects instantly like that without touching any buttons. In terms of battery, you can get over 24 hours of listening time, they claim, with these AirPods, and its larger charging case, which also supports Qi wireless charging in it as well, which is pretty cool. And also, if you're wondering, we should expect these to sound better than the regular AirPods since they're dubbed Pro, which basically they're trying to target this at professional market, but I still don't see why they call it Pro. I think they're just overusing the name Pro here. I mean, it has some cool features, but it's not like it's specifically marketed towards industry leading people, because everybody's gonna buy these. And speaking of buying, these cost $250, which in I'm not sure if earbud is worth $250, but when they do come out on the 30th of October and everybody has them, we'll see if it was worth your money. So that is it basically for the Apple AirPods. Tell me what you guys think about them in the comments. Like this video, share, and I will see you in the next one.